Today, we're delving into the world of key fobs, specifically the replacement key fob by Magic tailored for Honda's Civic 2001 to 2005 and Honda Pilot 2003 to 2007. Now, let's talk quality. Each keyless entry remote is meticulously tested by professional locksmith tools before it even leaves the factory. That's a reassuring start, knowing you're getting something that's been thoroughly vetted for functionality. Compatibility is always a concern when it comes to replacement parts, but fear not. This key fob covers a wide range. It's compatible with part numbers 72147S5AA01 and FCC ID, and HVWB1U523 and HVWB1U521. So, if you own a Honda Civic from 2001 to 2005 or a Honda Pilot from 2003 to 2007, you're in luck. But what about programming? Well, they've made it as user-friendly as possible. Self-programming instructions are conveniently printed on the outside of the package, and you won't need to whip out your credit card for it. However, it's important to note that self-programming requires one working key. If you don't have that, you'll need to seek the assistance of a qualified locksmith. And remember, this transmitter is only compatible with regular key vehicles, not push-start button ones. Let's talk about what you'll find in the box. Along with the key fob itself, you'll also get peace of mind knowing that the battery and electronics are pre-installed. It's a 3-button keyless entry remote, compact in size with dimensions of 2.56 inches in length and 1.18 inches in width. In summary, if you're in need of a reliable replacement key fob for your Honda Civic or Honda Pilot, Magic's offering ticks a lot of boxes. From quality assurance to broad compatibility and user-friendly programming, it's designed to make your life easier. Just remember, always double-check compatibility before purchasing, and if you need help programming, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional locksmith. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.